St David's provides its learners with top quality guidance and advice in order that they make the right curriculum choices.
We are committed to helping every student find their vocation, whether that's apprenticeships or university. We are ensuring that the careers and employability advice is available in all subjects rather than just in one area, so they can get a comprehensive and independent advice.
One of the main reasons why I applied to St David's was because of the honours programme, because I heard that it gives a lot of extra guidance towards people who want to apply to Russell Group universities and the top universities around the world, both in the UK and outside.
St David's College is something more than an academic institution. It's a place where students clearly come to achieve what it is they want to achieve in academic terms, but it's a place that seeks to create an atmosphere conducive not only to learning but to growth as a whole person.
The class sizes are a lot smaller than I thought they were going to be, and it means that the teachers can really help us a lot more, and the support from the teachers themselves is absolutely amazing.
We look at aiming to make sure that every student feels comfortable and safe as part of their academic progression. So that's not just achieving well academically, but also pastorally, making sure a student is academically supported, but also emotionally supported too. And so we have an excellent student support service here at St David's, as well as rigorous academic study.
I feel like the school's reputation, whether it's in sciences or arts or drama, as I'm doing, I feel as it's kind of everywhere, and everyone knows it's one of the best schools.
I think the standard of teaching across the college is excellent. All of the teachers are really committed. We're all expert in our field as well. We focus on 16 to 19-year-olds. We keep our knowledge up to date at all times. We attend conferences, for politics, the subject I teach. Keeping up to date with current affairs, and I encourage the students to do that as well.
I think the class sizes being small better, because the teachers are able to get around students and walk around and check our work and help us if we need it. It's better than having huge groups where you get lost within a big crowd, and when it's smaller, teachers know you better and understand your strengths and your weaknesses, and it's a nicer feel.
One of the things that I think characterizes St David's is the fact that a student may be only with us for 2 years, but we're aware of that student, or at least we certainly try to be aware of that student even before they arrive here. But while they're with us, we build such relationship with them that we don't simply push them out the doors at the end of their time. Rather, we try to keep track of them. We invite them to stay in touch, because our interest in them extends to their whole development and their whole person. And so it means that our relationships hold long into the future.
They give up so much of their spare time to help you. You can go to them during break time, lunch time, after school, and they want you to fulfill your potential.
Right from application through to guidance interview, taster session and enrolment, we maintain a dialogue with learners to ensure that they are on the right course for them to meet their career aspirations.
I can definitely confirm that it's the best decision that I could have made for my future.